A unicorn and Joker-inspired makeup? Hi everyone, it's Erlene of ErleneGarciaART and the Hollywood Carney YouTube channel. I have 2 fun ideas for you to use this Halloween and some other great ideas and tips I'll share with you. So let's get started. These are all done with basic over-the-counter makeup. When I do Halloween makeup, I always start with my full makeup and then I draw. I'm taking white eyeshadow and applying it to my face to give it a clown look. I then add a Frosty beige eyeshadow over the white to give it a creamy look. Draw 4 triangles, 2 above your eyebrows, 2 underneath with your blue eyeshadow, and then add in green to blend. I then outline the points with a dark frosty blue shadow. Use a red lip pencil to draw on eyebrows, a nose, and an overextended smile. Used black to enhance the eyebrows, the nose, and the mouth. I'm using a black creamy eyeliner as eyeshadow. Blend the red lip liner into your eyeshadow. Take liquid eyeliner and outline all of your art features. I then took a silver liquid liner and enhanced my mouth, under my eyes, and above my eyebrows. I then added a little bit more of the dark shiny blue to extend the tear. I then found some thrift shop clothes that were in similar colors of the Joker. Oh my gosh, look at me, I look pretty scary there. Oh, also I added some super long eyelashes. Make sure you use a good quality glue. And if you can, practice wearing them before the final makeup. When adding a bright wig, try it in different hairstyles before you go out to make sure that you have the exact look that you're looking for. Oh my gosh, look at this. It was pretty creepy. I did scare my boyfriend. The silver glitter liner really enhanced my makeup. I put it on my nose, underneath my eyes, in my eyebrows, and part of my lips. I really love it. And I accomplished what I set out to be. So don't forget to take your lip liner and eyeliner with you if you go out to party. So what if you want to be a crazy unicorn? That looks pretty fun. So do your makeup as regular. Put a little bit of highlighter. Put purple on the outer sides. Turquoise green on the inner corners of your eyes. And silver down your nose. Take your brown eyeshadow and circle completely around your eyes and in the creases. I used bright pink blush on my temples and cheeks and eyes. I then took a black eye pencil and drew down the sides of my nose, under my nose, and across my nose. Black liquid eyeliner around my lips. Bright pink lipstick, and then I took the same glittery eyeliner and enhanced my lips. Oversized eyelashes, highlighter, and loose glitter. I took wedding scrapbook paper and made some ears and then a styrofoam cone, and I added beads. I also added flowers to cover the workmanship of the hairband. Now, this is my sister. I did her makeup and then I did her scary makeup. I also did a step-by-step photo so people could look at it and maybe get an idea for themselves. And look what I did to her hand. Oh my God, it looks so creepy. This is one of my favorite pieces, and it's good that she has skinny, bony hands, so I really enhanced it. Okay, let's take a quick look at some of my past costumes. Charlie Chaplin. And then I was a dead beauty contestant, shot by a fellow contestant. And then I made my boyfriend into Miss Oklahoma 1975. He did win the contest that night. And then again, he won again for being Marilyn Monroe. I did use items I had on hand, earrings, my daughter's Marilyn dress, a fur jacket that I had, and of course that wig. Oh, this is one of my early ones as the third eye. It was 3D and I just did my own eye makeup like I usually do, and it was pretty creepy. And then here, I'm a dead cheerleader. You're seeing a theme. I do like doing a lot of dead costumes. So the next one is, in the afternoon, I was the #1 lover And then in the evening, I was also the #1 lover, but with my own brunette hair. I did make my hat. I really love that hat. I do like to dress up multiple times during Halloween. Here, I'm a 1960s hippie slash vixen. I glued crystals to my face with eyelash glue, a silver mesh scarf that I had, and some thrift shop clothes. The next one is one of my favorite ones for Peter. I recreated Frank-N-Furter from the movie The Rocky Horror Picture Show, and I was a French maid. And he had numerous people asking him to take pictures with them, so that made me really happy. This one, I did the third eye again. I love the third eye. The first time I was Elvis, I decided to glue sideburns on my face, rhinestones all over the costume, and reuse the silver scarf again. When I decided to do the devil costume, I found some horns that are for kids. I repainted them, and I also painted flames on my cape. I even scared my own self that night. So I decided to do Peter's makeup as David Bowie. I found some retro-looking thrift shop clothes and a super cool wig. He's a great sport, and he has beautiful eyes, so it's easy to do his makeup. Playing a sexy cop, I added glasses, and I found a pink gun in the kids area, and I added rhinestones to my hat. This is one of my all-time favorite costumes, and I reused the unicorn wig. I used my own vintage hat, and I glued rhinestones all over my face. And that night, Peter was Bret Micheals from the band Poison. This is one of his favorite costumes, and probably because he had a bevy of beauties asking him to take pictures with them. That's okay. That means I'm doing something right with my makeup. So the next one is I decided to be some type of a Spider Woman. I made a humongous crown. I could barely fit in the car that night with glitter and bugs in it. The next night, I decided to paint the spider on my eye. I was influenced by another makeup artist, and I love that idea, although I did add the hands coming out of my hair like a graveyard. I had an idea to do 4 eyes, but to me, this one was a fail. I did try, though, so hey, that's how we learn from our mistakes. So this is me as Chucky's bride, and I reuse the David Bowie wig for Peter to be Chucky, and another thrift shop shirt. Here, I'm a dead little girl with roaches crawling on me, a cracked forehead, and one of my vintage dolls. I was inspired by the late Red Skelton to do a sad clown. Again, using items that I had at home. Lady of the Night? Well, of course. And I Need a Pimp. I made him a $sign necklace out of cardboard and borrowed my sister's hat. This one, I love the little fighter that I made myself into with a black eye and a broken nose. The next one was just something for fun. It was earlier in the week of Halloween, so I decided to make myself a kitty cat with purple hair. I already had the ears and my late cat's ID tag. So I decided to do Guns N' Roses and Slash. And I used a glue stick and turned it into a cigarette. This one was also during early in the week, and I went out for drinks, and I just wanted to be simple with pink hair and heart-shaped glasses. The following week, I decided to make Peter into the one and only Elton John. I created a really cool costume and made him these one-of-a-kind glasses to really stand out. I drew his hairline with a brown eye pencil and a couple of different earth tone lip pencils. I added some sideburns, and with the gel that he had in his hair, I added blush, so there was no hair dye involved here. So Elton needs a date, so I decided to be Elvis again. I added even more rhinestones to the costume I previously wore, found some glasses at the 99-cent store, and that night was hilarious and a night to remember. I recreated the Tiger King, and again, Peter won. I was so proud. This was a lot of fun, and I was Carol Baskin. I also wore my late aunt's vintage coat. So right after Halloween is Day of the Dead, and that's another one of my favorite holidays and an excuse to dress up. I was so honored when my daughter and my son-in-law asked me to do their makeup for a party, and I also made her crown. I'm really proud of those photos. So this one, I'm not too keen on my mouth the way I did the skeleton lips, but hey, it worked for the day. And I also made my flowers in my hair. I did my sister's makeup, which I was really happy about. She asked if I could do a cross and a heart, and it came out amazing. And of course, I glued Austrian crystal all over both of our faces. This is a very simple one that I really love, and it's very easy to do. False eyelashes underneath the eye, liquid black eyeliner to enhance the nose and the mouth, and Austrian crystal again. For the next look of Peter, I took a junk store skirt, cut it up, made a tie out of it, took a hat out of my party box, flowers and a boa, and the black wig, and made him this super cool outfit. Basically, my secret is put your full makeup on and then do your special effects makeup using what you have on hand. And don't forget that liquid black eyeliner. I use it every time for detail. So thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. I don't know what I'm going to be this year, but I'll be sure to share it with you soon. Have a happy day. Bye.